will start and I will do the sharing. Yeah. So here we go. Today's heading. Converting binary values into octal and hexadecimal equivalents. Right?
Daddy, we have this one.
Okay, so you can work with Amni, right? That will come soon.
Daddy.
You go and stick some stickers, huh? You can say that.
Okay.
Right. So I think we got some new students in the room. Neda last week mata denne kata kara mata matakai newcomers like innawada yes chat එකේ මට message එකක් එවන්නකෝ ඉන්නවනම් right so we'll do this conversion in this particular manner. Now you know yes right okay so welcome to the ICT class, right? So we have built up a note so far, like in our notebook. You can find the notes in my previous recordings. I'll show you how to refer the recordings. Just remind me before I leave the session, right? And if I got a chance at the middle, I'll let you know what are the how the recordings are being referred, right? Okay, so now in this conversion there is a very easy way that you are going to do your conversion from the binary to the octal and hexadecimal. Again, as I told you in the previous conversions, this particular conversion is having a common technique. Common technique means when binary converted into the octal, it has some technique. So the same type of technique is we are using to convert the binaries into a hexadecimal, right? Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to convert binary into octal, right? So this is the first example. Right? So when you do binary into octal, first of all, I have to take your attention to this particular thing. Now, binary, the base is 2, and octal, the base is 8. Now, mathematically, we know 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8, right? I'm writing this for a reason. You really don't need to write this when you are doing the calculation, right? Now, if we are given to convert this particular value, let's say 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1, right? If we are given this particular value to be converted into octal, now this is a binary value, and you are asked to convert this into an octal value. So what we are doing is, since the 2 to the power 3 equals 8. We are taking our binary value, right? And we start from our right hand side and move into the left hand side by dividing this number into the group of 3 characters, right? Starting from the right. So we count 1, 2, 3. Here we draw a line, right? And again we count 1, 2, 3. Here we draw a line, right? So that is the first thing that we have to do. So once we given a binary value to be converted into the octal, we take the binary value, we divide the binary value into the groups which has 3 characters inside it. So we have to start the division or like the grouping from your right hand side, right? And remember, we are going to consider now these groups as a small binary value, right? So each and every group now we are going to consider as a small binary value, right? So now since I don't have 3 characters at the very last group, if you want, you can put 2 zeros to indicate 3 characters. It doesn't make any harm to your calculation, right? So now what I said, we are considering these groups as small binary values. So then the thing that we have to do is we are converting this small group, considering them as a small binary values into its decimal equivalent, right? So what we have done last week, right? Last week we have convert the non-decimal values into the decimals, no? So likewise, once we done the grouping, each group considered as a small binary value, then we convert this into the corresponding decimal value. Now, when you are doing this, I'll show you a little trick, right? You can do this conversion in a very easy manner. Now, if you consider this first group 101 as a small binary value, now tell me what are the place values that I have to consider, right? What are the place values that these things have? Yes, from the last week, the knowledge that you have gathered. Yes, give it a try, people. You can send me the chat message. What should be the place values for these? Now we consider this 101 as a small binary value. Very good, Udamya. It's 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 2. Now, if we solve the 2 to the powers, then what should be the values? 2 to the power 1 will give you 1. 2 to the power 0 is going to give you 1. 2 to the power 1 is going to give you 2. And 2 to the power 2 is going to give you 4. Right? So instead of writing the 2 to the powers, since we got only 3 places, I'm going to write this straight away, the values of the places using the decimal values, which is 1, 2, and 4. Is this clear, everyone? කරපේක තේරුණාද? අපිට binary value එකක් දුන්නා, groups කරා, එක group එකක් small binary number එකක් කියලා consider කරා. Now we are writing the place values under those, right? And likewise, you can write the place values for each and every group. Now each and every group is a small binary value, so you are going to have the same positions for each and every group, right? එතකොට හැම group එකකම binary numbers නැත්නම් අපි ඔකට කියනවා bits කියලා. bits තුනකින් තියෙන binary value එකක් තියෙන්නේ. So each and every group separately holds the place values 1, 2 and 4. Right? Now we are almost done. Now the trick is, now you know how to convert this non-decimal values into decimals when you know the place number. The practice is multiplying the place value. Yes, Ravidu, I will. Right? Okay, Ravidu, did you got the idea? Once we given a binary value to be converted into an octal, that we are dividing our given value into the groups which contains 3 characters. Did you got that concept? Is that clear, Ravindu? Ravindu? Yeah, Ravindu, can you hear me? All right, okay. Okay, then Ravindu, we are considering this small group. Then අපි මේක කැලි තුනකටනේ කැඩුවේ. කියන්නේ numbers තුනක් තියෙන groups වලට කැඩුවේ. එතකොට මේ එක group එකක් we consider it as a binary value. Then මතකනේ last week අපි binary value convert කරනකොට we use this place values. Remember? මේ තියෙන අපි මෙතන පාවිච්චි කරේ. So we write 2 to the power 0s, 2 to the power 1s, 2 to the power 2s. Then අපි අර හදපු එක group එකක් මෙන්න මේ තුන් දෙනා වගේ. Got it, Ravidu? So each and every group is going to act as a small binary value which has 3 bits or 3 characters inside it. So each and every group will contain the place values which is 1, 2 and 4. Got it, Puta? Okay. Now, it is because of this, Puta, you really don't need to do that. I was doing it because I told you these groups are going to be like, it's going to consist 3 bits. Ne? So like adding these 2 zeros won't do any harm. ඒක හරියට අපි 7 කියලා ලියන number එකක් 07 කියලා ලියුවා වගේ. So value is not going to change. Right? ඕක 007 කියලා ලියුවත් it's not going to change. Right? මම අර මේ තුන් දෙනා කැඩිච්ච එක indicate කරන්න තමයි ඔයාට ඒක ලිව්වේ. If you don't want, you can omit that. but අන්තිම එකට එක්කෙනෙක් විතරක් අරගන්න පුළුවන්. No problem. Right? අර මේක මෙහෙම කරාම you will have a pattern to follow. Right? හැම group එකක්ම 1 2 4 1 2 4 1 2 4 කියලා place values තියෙනවා. Got it, Puta? Yes, we can do. And Ravidu, yes, it won't change the answer, definitely. And Adisha, we can do this using the chart in the textbook. එතකොට ඔයගලන්ට chart එක මතක තියාගන්න වෙනවනේ. මම දැන් මේ chart එක අමතක කරලා කරන විදිහක් කියලා දෙන්නේ. Right? බලන්නකො මේකෙන් ටක් ගාලා උත්තරේ එන විදිහ. Ravidu, is it clear? Right, great. So now what we have to do is, generally what we are doing is, we consider the place value and we multiply it with the corresponding symbol value, right? May then now we multiply කරන එකනේ කරේ. Now since it is the binary number system එකට විතරයි මම මේ කියන දේ කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ ඔයගලන්ට. Since it is a binary value, what we have to do is we have to add the place values which has 1 over it. 0 කෙනෙක් උඩින් තියෙන කෙනාව consider කරන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. So the value of this group is 5 because there is a 0 at the top of 2. So 2 into 0 is 0. So those are going to be 0 anyway. Other places are having 1, so it's going to give the same place value. So instead of like multiplying the place value and the symbol value together and doing the addition, we just add up the place values. එකෙන් ගුණ කරාම එන්නෙත් ඒ අගයමනේ. Right? So this group gives you 5. And what is the value of this group? It's going to take 1 and 2 added up. මොකද 4ට උඩින් තියෙන්නේ බිඳුව. So this gives you 3. And here it's just 1. So this gives you 1. Right? So your answer is going to be 135 in 8. තේරුණාද? Like you got a table representing what are the patterns and what is the value. ඉතින් ඒක මතක තියාගන්නට වැඩිය මේක මතක තියාගන්න එක ලේසි. Right? You just add up the things which has the 1 over that place value. එක වැටිලා තියෙන තැන්වල place values ටික විතරක් එකතු කරන්න. It's a simple math. Right? Yes, Ravidu, it is same as non-decimal to decimal, but the difference, there is a big difference. The difference is like we are dividing our binary value into 3 groups. Right? Then api binary එක decimal වලට ගන්න කිව්වොත් binary value එකේ හැම value එකකටම අදාළ වෙන place value එක ලියනවානේ. Right? Then the same binary එක if it asks us to convert it to the decimal, like we are starting from here to here, we are going to write all the place values. මෙතනදී එහෙම නෑ අපි ආව group කරලා තමයි convert කරන්නේ. Group කරලා convert කරන එක, yeah, it is the very same as the non-decimals to decimals. Right. Is this clear, people? Give me a confirmation. Is it clear? Right. How about others? Ravidu, we are grouping it because we are converting the binary into an octal. That is why we are grouping it. ඒකයි මම ඔයාලට මුලින්ම කිව්වේ octal means like 2 to the power 3s. අපි එතකොට binary එකකින් octal group එකක් තමයි හදන්නේ. තුන් දෙනා වෙන් කරලා. Yes, Udamya, can you tell me where it went wrong, Dua? What is the place that is not clear to you? Like, is it clear with the group in Dua? අපි 3න් 3ට බෙදනවා කියන එක clearද? Yes, Udamya. Are you clear with the group in Dua? Like once the binary value is given, yeah, what's the error do? Like you only need to know, like once we are given a value, something like this, right? Then we are grouping it like starting from the right hand side from 3 by 3, right? So we start from our right hand side and we are grouping 1, 2, 3, then we draw a line. Then again 1, 2, 3, then again we draw a line. So likewise, we are grouping the values in the binary 3 by 3, characters in the binary 3 by 3. Got that, Udamya? Ravidu, we should do the group input. Otherwise, it can be like we don't need to like draw these lines and all these things. Api take a 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 කියලා දාලා කරන්න පුළුවන්. අපි 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 දාලා නොකර එහෙම කරන්නේ නැතුව ඔයා place values ටික ලියලා group එකේ විදිහට කරගන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. හැබැයි don't write all the place values. හොඳේ? right මෙහෙම තියෙනකොට මේකට 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 කියලා ලියන්න එපා. This is not binary to octal, this is binary to decimal, right? Binary to octal, this is the pattern, right? Udamya, so you are good with grouping. Then each and every group is considered as a small binary number. So you remember, right, Ravidu? So Udamya, so you only need to do is like convert this small binary number. Like first group එක ගත්තොත් නේද? දැන් අපිට මෙතන groups තුනක් තියෙනවානේ. This is going to be the first group. Oh my god, it's huge. Right, this is the first group, this is the second, and this is the third, right? එතකොට first group එක අපි අරගෙන it is converted into its decimal. So 101 කියන්නේ binary එකක් කියලා හිතලා place values ටික ලිව්වා. place values වලට උඩින් එක තියෙන place values ටික විතරක් අපි එකතු කරනවා. මොකද 0 එකක් එයාට උඩින් තියෙනවා නම් the multiplication will provide you a 0, right? When you have a 1, the multiplication will provide you the same value. So එක multiply කර කර ඉන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. So I just adapt the things. We are doing it, it is because we are solving a binary 1 into a decimal. අනිත් ඒවාට ඒ වැඩේ කරන්න බෑ. අනිත් ඒවාට multiplication එක හරියටම කරන්න ඕනේ, right? Got it, Dua? Udamya, is it clear? Right, great. Yes, Behara, that is what we are going to do. So instead of, I'll show you what is doing, right? All right, shall we do another example for octal? Then it will confirm the things to you, right? So this is the second example that I am taking, right? So let's take this as the first example, right? And this is the second example. So in the second example, I'm going to do what? Let's consider 110.101.011 binary into its octal, right? Okay, so let's take this 110.101.011. So let's divide this starting from the right. 1 2 3, drawing the line. 1 2 3, drawing the line. 1 2 3, stays. So now we are going to write the place values. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. And again 1, 2, and 4. Okay, people, tell me what is the number for the first group. This is the group 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. What is the number for the first group? Yes, 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 very good. That is 3. This is 3. And for the second group? Tisandra, yes, 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 that's the answer. This is 5. And for the third group, it is the 6th. So your answer is going to be 653 in octal. Right? Simple as that. Right? Okay, so let's take this down. Right, here we go. Tell me when you are done, people. Okay, Tisandara, not yet. It doesn't matter, you do it, right? I'm going to give you some other maths as well, right? So it's quite easy, right? Right, so 2 are done. How about others? Right. Okay. Tesandu, ma වැහෙනවද? Tesandu, Tesandu අපි ලිව්වේ පුතා මේ part එක, right? ඔයාට screenshot එකක් ගහගන්න පුළුවන් නම් ගහගන්න. මම දැන් ඊළඟ method එකට යනවා. right? Hari. Okay, now I'm moving to the, now this is binary to octal conversion. So the same technique can be used to do the binary to hexadecimal conversion, right? Same technique. So අපි මෙතන පාවිච්චි කරපු technique එක මොකක්ද? 8 means 2 to the power 3. So we group the value, we group the binary number into the groups which has 3 characters in it. Right? තුනේ කොටස් වලට අපි binary එක කැඩුවා. Now hexadecimal 16 means what? Binary to hexadecimal. Now 16 means 2 to the power 4. Now for the binary to octal conversion, we make the group into threes, right? Api groups haduwa tune ewa tiyena. So if this is given, we make the groups which has 4 characters in it, right? 4 characters in it. Udege haduwa api characters tuna innewa. Let's take the same number, right? Oh, anyway, same is not want, right? Let's say we are going to convert. So example number 1, we are converting 10110111 binary into a hexadecimal. Now what we are going to do is we are going to write the value 10110111. Then we are going to group this. How we are going to group this? Starting from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4 characters are count. Then we draw the margin. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Right? And what I'm going to do is, as usual, I'm going to write the place values. So place values will be 1, 2, 4, and 8. Right? Lamai, just a second. Yes, Ravindu, got any question? So we are writing the place values, which is 1, 2, 4, and 8. Right? Okay, so how 1, 2, 4, 8 has came? Because of 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 3. And why we are writing those place values? Like in the previous section, in the previous method, we are considering this group as a small binary value. මේ group එකක් පොඩි binary value එකක් කියලා හිතලා තමයි අපි convert කරන්නේ. Right? So place values ටික.
Daddy.
Yes, what?
I was making a house.
Okay, okay.
But it was broken.
All right. You have the help of Ami. Right? Ami is a good builder. No, keep it. I need that. I need that to be conversation. Right, sorry for that. right? So we take 1, 2, 4, and 8 as the place values by considering, Suhara, by considering that this particular group is a small binary number, right? So now it is easy. What are we going to do? Right, sorry for the disturbance, people. Right, now the drill is easy. You know what to be done, right? So wherever you found 1, you consider those place values to get add up, right? So we are not considering 8 because 8 has 0 above it. So 8 into 0 means 0. So ek nisa yawa guna karala aragena therumak naha. And again, when 1 to 4 is multiplied by 1, it gives the same value. So what we do is we are just adding these things up. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So this will give you 7. And this 1 and 2 give you 3. We are not going to add 4, but the 8. And 8 plus 3 is going to give you 11. Are we going to write 11, people? Any suggestions? Are we going to write 11? Or are we going to write something else? What are we going to write then? Yeah, instead of that, we are going to write B.
Daddy, rainbow.
Right, so your final answer is going to be B7 in hexadecimal. Got it? Let's do another in a very quick manner, right? Here goes the second one. Right? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, that is enough. This is 2 hexadecimal. Okay, what are we going to do? We are going to write the binary. And we are going to divide or category or group 1, 2, 3, 4, one margin, 1, 2, 3, 4, another margin. Very good, Tisandra. Right? So here we go. Right? 1, 2, 4, and 8. Again, 1, 2, 4, and 8. And here you just got 1, right? No 2, 4, 8s. So now what we are going to do, we are going to adapt the things under the 1. So here it's 1, 4, and 8. This is just 1. So this gives you 1. This gives you 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 means D, right? Here 8 plus 1 is 9. So final answer is 1D9 in hexadecimal. Right. Did you got that, people? Is it clear? So you can copy this. Right. Let me know once you are done. So I'm going to write the question at the bottom line. So ඔගොල්ලෝ මේක ඉවර කරගන්නකොට කරලා ඒ ටික ටක් ගාලා පටන් ගන්න. Okay, one is done already. So you have to convert this binary value into its octal as well as into its hexadecimal, right? Be careful when you are converting, people. Right, තෙසඳු දෙකටම කන්වර්ට් කරන්න ඕනේ. ඔව් 8ටයි 16ටයි දෙකටම. Right, I got an answer. Tisandra, yes, that is correct. That is correct, Tisandra. Well done. Yes, or yes, that's correct for the second one. Yes, Osanda, first one is correct. Well done. Dinelka, first one is correct. Well done. Tisandara, yes. Hexadecimal value, yes, that's correct, Dua. Well done. Udamya, yes. Let me see. Let me see. Yes. Yes, that's correct. That's correct, Udamya. Yes. Senya, yes, that's correct, Dua. Tesandu, yes, very good. That is correct, Buddha. Well done. Senya, yes, that is correct, Dua. Well done. Yes, Sairi, yes. Both are correct, Dua. Well done. So each and everyone should send me an answer, right? All right. Dinelka, yes, that is correct, Dua. Well done. Samitu, Samithuge answer එක මට මිස් වුණාද? Januki, yes, perfect. That's correct, Dua. Well done. Samithu මට hexadecimal කියලා විතරයි උත්තරය ආවේ පුතේ. වැරදිලා type වෙන්නේ නැති නේද? හරි. එවන්නකො. Ravindu, yes, first one is correct. Udamya, yes, that is correct, Dua. Pehara, perfect. Those are the answers. Very good. Samitu, yes. Yes, that is correct, Puta. That is correct. Yeah, that is correct as well. Well done. Well done. Osanda, okay. Octal is correct, Puta. Hexadecimal has a bit issue. Chuttak balannai. Octal is correct. Go through the hexadecimal. I think you have missed something. Sulakdi, yes, perfect. That is correct, Dua. Udamya, hold on. Udamya, that got a problem, Dua. What go through kala balanda? I think there's a slight mistake. Samitu, that is correct. Well done. Sayuri, yes, perfect. That's correct, Dua. Tesandu, yes, that's correct. Well done. Okay, so people who have not sent me the answers should send me as soon as possible, right? So I'm moving to the next conversion. So we can end up with the conversions, right? So conversions ඉවරයි කියලා කියන්නේ පාඩම ඉවරයි වගේ, right? Okay. Ravindu, yes, that is correct. Well done. Right. හරි. දැන් හැමෝම වැඩ ටිකක් නතර කරලා මේ වැඩේට කන් දෙන්න ඕනේ. උදම්ය දුව මං හිතන්නේ දුව ලියාගෙන තියෙන එකේ වැරද්දක් මොකක් හරි තියෙනවා. දුව ක්‍රොස් චෙක් කරලා බලන්න is it same one ද කියලා. පොඩි වෙනසක් තියෙනවා දුව. Right? Never mind. හිමින් බලන්න දැන් විදිහ තියෙනවා ඇඟේ. Osanda, second one is correct. Yes. Right, okay. I'm moving to the next conversion, right? Like, I really appreciate that you guys are participating on this level, right? This is great, right? So let's go to the next one and keep it up, people. Keep it up.
Quite shining, quite shining. Maybe the sun is happy now. Quite shining, quite shining.
Right.
The mind is happy.
Sena, that is correct. Well done. And the second one as well, Dua. Very good. Right. Now, this is the other conversion. Now, what is the other conversion? The revise of this thing. So, we have converted the binary values into octal and hexadecimal. Now, we are going to convert the hexadecimal and the binaries. I'm sorry, the hexadecimal and the octals into the binaries. So the reverse process will take place. Ravindu, පුතේ මේ අන්තිම එකේ hexadecimal එකද? පොඩි වැරද්දක් තියෙනවා මං හිතන්නේ. චුට්ටක් ආයි බලන්න. ones and zeros ලියාගෙන තියෙන එකේ වැරද්දක් තියෙනවද කියන එක මුලින් බලන්න. Right, never mind. හරි. දැන් මේක අහගෙන ඉන්න. So here I'm writing the heading. Converting octal and hexadecimal values into binary equivalent. Right? Okay, now this is very easy, people, right? It's the same connection is there. 8 is equals to 2 to the power 3. So first I'll take the first example that I'm going to take is 437, which is in octal, and it is asked to convert to the binary. Right? So octal to binary. Now you remember what happens when binary becomes octal. The binary number divided into groups which has 3 characters in it. Now here what we are going to do is we are going to write each and every character of octal by using 3 character binary. Right? So we consider each and every value individually, 4, 3, and 7 individually, and consider them as decimal values and convert it into the binaries. Then ඕක convert කරන්න ගියාම there is a very easy way of doing this, right? The trick is you have to remember the place values. What are the place values? We know now 1, 2, and 4. These binary values are going to take 1, 2, and 4. Right? So we are going to convert each and every symbol into a binary equivalent which has 3 bits. Bits 3කටම පෙරලා ගන්න ඕනේ. Right? Okay, look at this now. 7. කොහොමද 7 හදන්නේ මේ පහළ තියෙන values තුන පාවිච්චි කරලා? That is all you have to think. So to have the 7, 4 plus 2 plus 1 should be there. So what are we going to do? We keep 1 over 4, 1 over 2, 1 over 1. So 7 will be there. Right? How we are going to make 3 out of these 4 to 1? We need 1, we need 2, we don't need 4. So we put a 0 for that. That is how we are going to make 3. How we are going to make 4 out of this? We need 1 over here above 4 and we don't want 2, we don't want 1. This is how we are going to create 4. And your answer is going to be, now write these patterns from left to right, right? So this is going to be your answer. 1, 0, 0, that is from 4. 0, 1, 1, that is from 3. 1, 1, 1, that is from 7. Simple as that. Terunada, did you all got that? Confirm, please. Yeah, how about others? Right, great, well done. Still, if there is anyone who is not getting this, let me know, right? I'll help. Right, let's do another very quickly. Right, okay, this is the next one. I'm saying 176 in octal into binary. So what are we going to do? We are going to write these 3 as a group of 3 of binary. Right, so we know the place values 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4. Here we go. 6, we need 4, we need 2, we don't need 1. 7, we need 1, we need 2, we need 1. To represent 1, we don't need 4, we don't need 2, we only need 1. So you can write the answer 0, 0, 1, that is for 1, 1, 1, 1, that is for 7, 1, 1, 0. And in here, we can forget these 2 zeros because those are the zeros at the most significant positions. Right? So final answer, we can write the final answer as 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 in binary. Right? Okay, copy this down, people. Yes, Tisandra, very good. Let me know when you are done, people. Yes, Udamya, that is correct, Dua. That is correct. Right. Okay. 2 are done. How about others? sorry. I'm sorry. Right. So is there anyone still writing this? Or else we can go for the other conversion. Now I think you got the idea how we are going to convert the hexadecimal value into a binary. Instead of writing a one character in 3 bits, we are going to write it a one character in 4 bits. Right? Shall we go to that? Please indicate if there is anyone still writing this. Okay, so we are moving to the other part. So this explains right. This is going to explain how a hexadecimal value, how an hexadecimal value is going to convert into a binary. So it is easy again. All we have to do is, now when we are converting it to octal, we wrote a particular character in 3 bits. Here we are writing it from 4 bits. And these 4 bits has the values. What are the values? You know those. It's going to be 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now C means 12, right? So how we are going to create 12 from this? 1 over 8, 1 over 4. So you are given 12. We don't need 2. We don't need 1. So the same way we are going to create B using 4 bits. And the same way we are going to create A from the 4 bits. Same way these things have the same place values, 1, 2, 4, 8. So let's create. B is 11, 10 is 10. I'm sorry, B is 11, A is 10. Right, so 11, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. We don't need a 4. 10, 8 plus 2 is 10. No 4s needed, no 1s needed. So your answer is going to be, we can write it 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 in binary. Terunada? Yes, everyone? Yes. Let's do another one very quickly, right? So I'm going to give 2FC in hexa into the binary. So F means, we know it is 15. C is 12, right? Then how we are going to do this? We are going to write it using 4 bits representation. So the place values will be 1, 2, 4, 8 for each and every group. Yeah, I can see someone has sent me the answer. Right, so 12, 1, 1, 8 plus 4, 2 zeros. 15, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. 2, we only need 1 over 2. Other places, we don't need those. So those are zeros. So we can write the answer 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. And here we can cut down the leading zeros, right? So the final answer is going to be 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 in binary. All right, here you go. Write the conversions. And I'm going to write the questions right beneath. Okay. Right. Go on. Send me the answers. I received one already. Yeah, Sandra, you are fast. That is correct. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on. Tisandra, these are for what? I'm not getting careful. The first one is the octal dua. Yes, Tisandra, that is the first one. That's correct. Tesandu, that is correct. Well done. Oh, hold on. Tesandu, there is a slight mistake. No, it's correct. It's correct. Good. It's correct. It's correct. No worries. No worries. My bad. Tisandra, the second one. Yes. Second one. Hold on. Hold on. I'm getting a different answer. Yeah, Tisandara, the second one. No, no. Tesandu, it is correct. First one is correct. Tisandra, I'm worried about the second one. Udamya, your first answer is correct. Udamya, there is a problem in the first answer. Just go through. Ravindu, first answer is correct. Tisandra, the second one is a hexadecimal one. I think you have mixed it up with the octal. Be careful, people. Since this is very easy, things can go wrong. මන් දීලා තියෙන්නේ octal hexadecimal විදිහට. ඒක නිසා බලන්න නැතුව යන්න එපා. උදම්යා, yes, that's the correct answer. Udamya. I think a zero is missing. Don't panic. Right? You people can do this now. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. Yes, Samitu, that is correct. Tisandara, this is for which one? Tesandu, yes, that answer is correct. Tisandra, second one goes wrong. Go through. Samitu, second one. Yes, that is correct. Well done. Ravindu, second one. Yes, that is correct as well. Samitu, third one. Yes, that is correct. Hold on. Samitu, third එක චුට්ටක් ආයි බලන්න. Udamya, it's the first one. That is correct. Sulakdi, first one is correct. Second one, yes, that is correct. Well done. Third one, that is correct as well. Fourth one, very good. All are correct. Well done. Behara, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Fourth one. Just see. Yeah, fourth one is correct as well. Right, well done. Udamya. Oh, you guys are super fast now, right? Keep it up. Udamya, yes. Okay, let me see. Udamya, this is for the answer. Osanda first එක හරි. ඔසන්දගේ second එකේ ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා පුතා. Second එක පොඩ්ඩක් go through කරන්න. Udamya, this answer is for what? Second one. Okay, let me see. Yes. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න ළමයි. ඔයගොල්ලෝ උත්තරේ වල මට දැන් පරණ අයගේ ටික උඩ ගියා හොයාගන්න විදිහක් නැහැ. Hold on. Udamya. Yes. Yes, Udamya, your second one is correct. Well done. Tisandra, third one. Yes, that is correct. Well done. Osanda, second. Osanda පුතා second එකේ ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා. B67 is a hexadecimal one. බාන චුට්ටක් වැරදිලා තියෙනවා. Samitu, the third one. Yes, that is correct, Samitu. And Ravidu, wait, I'll put the whiteboard. Hold on. Yeah, it's 53D. And Sayuri, first one is correct. Second one, let me see. Yes, second one is correct. Third one, correct. Fourth one, yes, that is correct as well. Well done, well done. Ravidu, it's 5. We don't have letter S in the hexadecimal. Ravidu, it's 5 always. Tisandras, the fourth one. Yes, yes, yes. Well done. That is correct. And Jinuki, yeah, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Fourth one is also correct. Well done. Well done, people. Tesandu, second one. Let me see. No, third. All right, okay. Right, okay. Yes, third one is correct. Fourth one. That is correct as well. Well done, Tesandu. Dinelka, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. As well as the fourth one. Very good, Dua. My God, my inbox is flooding. All right. Osanda, third one. Third one. Yes, that is correct. Udamya, third one is correct. Well done. Osanda, well done. Your fourth one is correct as well, Buddha. Very good. Udamya, fourth one. Let me see. Yes, yes. Very good. That is correct, Udamya. And Senya, the first one. Yeah, that is correct, Dua. Well done. Tesandu. Tesandu ke kaman baluwa kali ned. Edega hari Tesandu. Ravindu. Fourth one. Yes, very good, Ravindu. That is correct. Senya, second and third. Okay. Yes, second is correct. Third is correct as well. Very good. Very good. Right. All right, people. Ravindu, මං ඔයාගේ බැලුවා නේද? කිව්වා නේද? Ravindu, fourth one. Yeah, that is correct, Ravindu. Well done. Right. Very good. So now we are done with the all 4 conversions. Senya, the fourth one. Yeah, that is correct as well. Well done. Right. Then ඕගොල්ලෝ මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ each and every conversion. Right now, there will be questions in the exam papers, right? To do the conversions. So when it is given, you have to remember what kind of a conversion that we can do, right? So today I'm going to end the session from this point, people. I have to attend the hospital with my little one. So I'm ending the session like 5 minutes before the ending point, right? So by next week, I hope we will be able to finish up the lesson, right? So once we finish this, we are going to move to the 4th lesson, which is the gates, right? So next week, hopefully, let's try our best to finish up the lesson. And then week after, we can go to the 4th one, right? Okay, people. So I'm going to run. The people who don't have send me the answers, please send me the answers for the WhatsApp group. I'm going to check, right? So keep it up. You all are doing good, right? So I'm leaving with a rush, people, because I need to be at the hospital by 4:30, right? So thank you very much. Right, I'll see you on next Saturday. Right? Stay safe, people. Have a nice weekend. Right. Thank you very much, everyone.